This week, design tools got noticeably sharper. Let's dig in. Here's who topped the design board this week. ComfyUI out front, Gamma and Moqups close behind. First up, Tripo 3. One lands inside ComfyUI as a partner node. Geometry tightens low poly forms, give way to high-density mesh. Materials light up out of the box PBR-ready, every render engine. Hero assets hold their detail under cinematic close-up. One asset, every pipeline games, marketing, renders, even 3D print. Available now. Install the node, open a sample, generate. Next up, Gamma finally adds color. Syntax highlighting just landed inside code blocks. Long requested and finally here. Drop in a snippet, keywords, strings, functions each get their own shade. A broad language list out of the gate: Python, JS, Go, Rust, SQL. Pick a language from the drop-down. Colors arrive automatically. Reads crisp in both light and dark themes. Code blocks now with color live in Gamma. Closing out the leaderboard, Moqups. They may release rolls out a stack of new features and refinements. The headline, a Figma-to-Moqups plugin, pulls selections straight across. Fresh iOS 26 and Material Design 3 kits arrive in light and dark, plus team-wide asset libraries and Portuguese on the language list. One wildcard worth tracking: RoboHead. Version 2.32 rolls out account and reporting upgrades mid-May. Quieter release, but a steady step up for creative ops. That's the pulse for the week. Design just took a step up. 3D decks, wireframes, every corner moved forward. Spark Pulse, subscribe and stay on the line.